Building your class schedule around outside responsibilities is one of the best parts of college. You're not a morning person? Great, you don't have to take an 8 a.m. class. You are in charge of deciding when you're on campus or in classes. When you meet with your advisor, they will provide you with a list of classes that you should enroll in for the semester. Your job is to use our class schedule to find the ones that work with your personal needs and get enrolled in the ones you choose. Log in to your Student Center at www.my.maricopa.edu with your MEID and password and choose the Manage Classes tile. From the menu on the left, you can select Class Search and Enroll to begin your search. Choose the semester you want to enroll in and the college you're interested in to see the most up-to-date offerings. In the search bar, you can enter a specific course like English 101, a keyword like anthropology or psychology, or an instructor's last name to find specific classes. Once you select a course, you will be able to see all available sections, including times, dates and location, if applicable, the instructor, and how many seats are available. Once you find one that works, click into the class and select Enroll. Do this for each of your recommended classes, and then you can choose View My Current Classes from the menu on the left to see your current schedule. If for some reason you are getting an error message when trying to enroll, you can reach out to admissions to help you troubleshoot the issue. Please be ready with your ID number, the course number, and the error that you received.